Every Yeezy is gonna restock, you know. Don't hold your belugas anymore, bro. Get rid of it as soon as possible.
So I know Yeezy.
Let me know if you have. What is going on, guys? It's your boys, Urban Kids, back at it again with another video. And for this one, we are going to be reviewing the Yeezy 350 Bread V2s. So the man on my left, Philip, aka Salty P. The man on my right, the founder of Urban Kids, yes, Adrian, aka AT. And your boy Sean_DC on
Let's
IG.
go.
So open it up.
Open the box.
Trademark Yeezy papers, you know, brown, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic. And here is the actual shoe. Our thoughts on the re-release of the Bred's Yeezys 350 V2. What do you think, Salty P?
It's an OG bread. Come on, man. Can't go wrong with that.
Been waiting long time for these. You know, last time it released was 2016, 2015, I think. So that was a pretty long time. And seeing them in hand for the first time, they're fire. They're fire. Yeah, this is fire right here.
My thoughts on these was, at first I actually didn't like them. The first
Why
release.
didn't like it, man?
The reason why is because it was really hard to get. You know, like the OGs, they are super hard to get. But then this one, people that didn't even like shoes and went to Adidas, hit on the 350 Breds.
Last time it released.
You know? Yeah. No, I'm talking about like that one, like this one right here.
Oh,
the re-release. I heard they
500K?
500,000, right?
500,000.
They released 500,000 plus pairs. You know, there's a lot of pairs. I feel like the value of the old pair, I don't know whether has it gone down or
it went down. It went down.
Did it went down?
It's like 500 right now. It was like 800.
Yeah. It was 800. It was reaching like up to like 1,000 at some point.
And then now it's like 400.
I mean, I feel like it looks exactly the same, you know.
It's exactly the same pair that released before.
Same material, same boost.
I mean, every Yeezy is retroing, so no Yeezy's safe. You know what I mean? Like all the Yeezys that you've been holding before, it's like sell those because there's no like safe Yeezys out there. So
it is true.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't even know that this was going to
I'm waiting for the 750, man. 750.
Yeah, 750. Hopefully.
Fire.
Is it the best 350 yet?
I think so. I think it's the
Why?
best.
Why is that? Why?
Because it's an OG and it's a bread colorway, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look at these. It's a bread colorway, and then can't go wrong with black, bro.
What do you think? Is it the best Yeezy yet? 350.
Best Yeezy.
350?
I mean 350. It's the best Yeezy 350.
For me, I like the belugas better.
I was gonna say the belugas are nice.
I don't like wearing black because you know how I feel about the Air Force One black forces.
What?
What you mean?
That's the assumption.
Yeah.
That doesn't go with Yeezys though.
Well,
I don't think so, but yeah.
Yeah, I don't rock with all black shoes, so.
I don't think it's the best Yeezy 350 overall. I mean, I like the black.
Top three?
Top three?
Nah, dude, not even, bro.
Come on, man, not top three?
No. I'd go with
y'all
like,
tripping.
the belugas, the zebra. What else?
Cinder.
I love the Cinder too. I love the Cinder. I would say they are. See, that's the only thing about I don't like about Yeezys too. They look
all the same.
I mean, I get it. Like the Jordan 1s.
They have a lot of colorways.
They have a lot of colors and they do look the same, but it's just different with with Yeezys. You know?
Kanye's trying to make a lot of money, bro.
It's true. And
he's trying to be a billionaire.
Yeah, and Kanye said that it's gonna be available. You know, he wants it to be available to the public. So like I said, it's not the best. Like, you know, you can't go wrong with black.
It's the best for me.
Yeah, I don't like black shoes, but
I like black shoes.
This one I could rock this. You know, yeah. Is the hype still there?
For what?
The Yeezy hype, is it still there? Ooh. That's tough.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
I think it's still there, but it's a lot of Jordans coming out though. You know what I'm saying?
No, Yeezys, bro.
I know, but Kanye keep dropping different colors and stuff. You know what I'm saying?
What do you think?
I think for me, I think the hype's not there anymore. Like even though that they're releasing retroing these kind of pairs, I don't think the hype's there anymore. I think what Kanye needs is like a collab within a collab. He needs to bring out new type of Yeezys. Yeah, something new to like, you know,
like the 750s.
Yeah,
you know?
750s.
Like bring that back, bro. Retro 750s. That would
Yeah,
be nice.
like bring back the
instead of dropping some alien looking like Yeezy, bro. Come on, man.
Instead of releasing those quantum variants, bro, those are bricks, bro.
I gotta fire you, man. Can't sell it. I gotta lie, I can't sell it.
For me personally, I don't think the hype's there anymore. Like they said, you know, fucking Kanye is just pumping out Yeezys every month, bro. Like, where's the hype anymore? Like, you know,
it's the hype.
It's not. It is. Like dark mochas are like dark mochas are.
That's the hype.
Anyways, yeah. Back to the hype of the Yeezys. I don't think it's there anymore. I mean, to some people, they may think that so especially to like the young kids out there, don't get caught by a $400 Yeezy. They don't cost that much anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe the brands, the OGs, but like those ones that's been pumping out like recently,
you can
please do not buy them for $400.
You can
not
hit
even
easily on retail, bro.
Yeah,
like,
you can definitely hit them on retail. Go to the Adidas app, you know. It's so easy to hit on the Adidas app. It's not like the sneakers app, you know.
Yes, sir.
They pumped out like what, 500,000 plus. That's why it was too easy. Of the resale value, whether you hold it or you know sell it, or is it gonna be personal for you? We'll start it with Salty P. What do you think, my guy?
Well, that's my pair, so I think I'm gonna wear it. But I think it's gonna go up. I think the price is gonna go up. Go around like 450.
Right now
450 to 500.
Right now on StockX, the 8.5 or like a 9, they're going for like what, like 400?
Like 6 months from now, I think it's gonna go up.
Yeah,
450, 500. That's my thoughts, you know.
What do you think?
For me, yeah, I think these are gonna go up. You know, OG colorway, can't go wrong with these. So I think they're gonna go back to where they at. Probably 6 months to a year from now.
Yeah,
the demand is super high for these. So if you can buy 320 for these,
go for it,
bro.
Yeah, go for it.
It's gonna be worth it. So.
For me, it's gonna be it's gonna be there. It just sucks for the people that bought this years ago.
Yep.
And you know,
they're probably crying right now.
Yeah. Well, one of my good friends, I think, bought a pair for like $600 to $800, and right now, they dropped. Like,
because he didn't know he's gonna restock, you know.
That is true.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody knew, and at least now we know that, you know, I feel like every Yeezy is gonna restock. You know, don't hold your belugas anymore, bro. Get rid of it as soon as possible.
That's why I know Yeezy.
Let me know if you have
bro.
8.5. Hit me up, man. I'll buy it off you. Not for 800 though, you know. I'll buy it off you.
That's it for me.
That's it for you.
You know what I'm
Please
saying?
like, comment, subscribe, bro.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, appreciate you guys. Till next time.
Till next time, guys.
Peace.
Peace out, bro.